Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet 200 mobile printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert battery into this device. So to do it, you need to open the battery cover, then insert the battery. So on the one side of the battery you have pins, and here on the right side of the printer you will have pins too. So firstly, you need to place battery in this way and try to insert battery in their own pins, and then gently press on it. You will hear the click, so this mechanism of locking the battery in own place. Then just insert the so close the lid of the battery, open the cover, press the power button, wait a while, and great, as you can see, printer is working from battery power. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.